Hey guys, and welcome to another quick video. So today we're on a Hikvision NVR and I'm going to show you how to use a PTZ camera. So it's pretty easy to do nowadays. We have a little icon built into the main window of the camera. So this is our PTZ camera. We'll just click on PTZ and now it brings up our little control panel here. How nice. So here, as you see now, we're going left. Let's go big screen. We can control it here, left, right. We can go up and down. Okay. And if you have the zoom, you can zoom in and out. Some cameras might be just PT cameras, might not have the zoom. And you've also got here focus, and you've got focus basically. But I think this camera's autofocus, so focus generally is, it might not work on all cameras. But definitely this controller is you're going to have this, and you can even go diagonally like that, which is handy, just to quickly get you around. All right, guys. So that's how you control a PTZ camera through an NVR. Thanks for watching. More guides below as usual, and catch you on another one hopefully. Cheers, bye bye.